Why did you run off like that?
I ain't never seen it before.
What? The sea? Well, you're going to be seeing a lot of it now.
Doubt it. Won't be here long.
Why?
You'll ask him to get rid of me.
No, I won't.
You will. They all do.
Well, I haven't before, and I don't see why I'm going to start now. Come on.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Don't touch me.
I was only.
Do it again and you're dead.
Brandon,
Don't use my name. You don't know me.
I know what Liz said.
She didn't tell you half of it. I've done stuff. Bet she never told you that.
Eh?
Stuff that makes people scared. Stuff that means they never mess with me. Stuff that get me moved. That's why I'm here. And you think I'm alright? You'll ask them to get rid of me. You wait. They all do.